Hello, my dear friends. Today I welcome you once again to my online English channel. In today's session, we are going to study one of the important poems from your book of English. The title of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer. From this particular title, you understand that this is a poem which expresses a state of mind of a teenager, because you all know that teenager is a person, we can say, who passes through the adolescent age. This stage is very, we can say, crucial in every person's life. So what is the prayer of a teenager? What are the thoughts which are running through his mind, and how does he want to walk on the path of his life? So that is what we are going to study with the help of this particular poem. It is a very beautiful poem, and the poem gives us a very good message to all of us. This poem is written by J. Morse. So let us start studying the poem. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. So in this first stanza, what emotions does the teenager express? So the teenager is speaking with the God, and here what is the teenager saying? He is saying that every day he has to make new beginnings. Means uh, each day he has to take some crucial or important decisions that decide the course of his life. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take, and it is the responsibility of the teenager to select the right path for him, because there are so many people who are around him, but the decisions of his life have to be taken by him only. This is what the teenager is saying in the first stanza. So let us move towards the second stanza. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. So see here, the meaning of the words are very crucial. Darkened means here refers to evil, and distress means great worry and strain. Here what is the teenager saying? I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, and there are two options in front of him while making the important decisions in his life. He can take a good decision which will take him to the right path, or which will take him to the path of success. Otherwise, if he selects the wrong decision, then definitely he will face extreme unhappiness or the pain. See here, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, because see, to be or not to be. Okay, so many a times we find ourselves in this kind of situation or the dilemma, that there are two roads in front of us. One is the good one, and other is not a good one. But a single person cannot select both the roads. A single person can select only one road out of those two roads. So here the teenager also faces the same dilemma, or he also faces the same confusion. He is saying to the God that if he selects the right path, then he will achieve success. Otherwise, if he selects the wrong road or the path, then definitely he will experience a lot of pain and unhappiness in his life. So let us move towards the third stanza of this particular poem. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. So here the teenager is requesting God or the Lord that the Lord should stay with him, and the Lord should help him in taking the right kind of decisions. See here, please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. The teenager is requesting or pleading to the God that the God should help him to open his eyes clearly. Means the God should help him to see the things clearly. Help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. And the God or the Lord should provide him the necessary strength or the power, so that he will stand by the right. And eventually the best will come out of the teenager. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way. that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. See here, temptation, the meaning of the word temptation means a strong wish to do something bad or wrong. So, help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way. Many a times in our life also, we get tempted by unnecessary things, or we get distracted by the temptations. So, here the teenager also faces the same issue. He is requesting, or he is praying to the God that God should help him to deal with the temptations, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day, so that he will have a good body, means he will have very good thoughts in his mind, and he will not anything bad, means his body will not do anything bad. He will have good ideas in his mind, and his actions will also be good. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. And see here, so here again the teenager is expressing a wish that after the completion of his uh, teenage age, he will become young, or after means after becoming young, uh, he will once again look back at his age when he was a teenager, and he wants that he should feel satisfied by living the age of teenage in a very good way or the manner. See here, when my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. And the teenager feels that after becoming young, or after passing the age of teenage, whenever he looks back at his teenage age, he should feel satisfied. Why? Because he has lived his years of teenage in the best possible way. Why? Because God was beside him, because God was there to help him in all the difficulties. So it is a very beautiful poem, and this poem teaches us how the teenagers should lead and live their life. So the poem is a very beautiful one, and the message of this poem is applicable to all the teenagers. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.